Hello, let's call this A, B, C, and D. In today's tutorial, I want to explain what I call cyclic quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Of course, what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a plane figure or plane shape with 4 sides. So any shape that has 4 sides is a what? Quadrilateral. And the word cyclic is from the word cycle. Now, what do we mean by cyclic quadrilateral? A cyclic quadrilateral simply means a quadrilateral that is inscribed inside a cycle, such that the vertices of the quadrilateral touches the circumference of the cycle, like this. If you look at it, you will see that this quadrilateral inscribed in this circle, the vertices of the quadrilateral touches what? The circumference of the circle. Now, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, look at this. This is not a cyclic quadrilateral because here, A, O, B, C, you discover that A, C, B are the 3 parts of the vertices of the quadrilateral that touches the circumference of the circle. O does not touches the circumference of the circle. It means that every theorem that I develop today, that I'm going to develop here, if any question is like this, it does not work for question like this, but it works for questions like this. Is that taken? And let's go back to this. In this diagram, now I'm going to join the radius to touch this side. I'm going to also join the radius here to touch this side. So let us call this angle X, and let us call this what? Angle Y. And let us call this A, and let us call this what? C. Now let's see what happens. X plus Y, angle at a point, is equal to 360 degree. Angle at a point. So you have developed that angle at a point. So at the center of a circle, you had all the angles there, you're going to get 360. Of course, let's go back to our first theorem, that angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So you can say the one at the center here is twice this angle here. Alright? Then we can also say Y is what? Is twice what? Twice C. Alright. Can you see what I'm saying? Alright, so now if I come back to this place, instead of writing X, I substitute with what? 2A plus, instead of writing Y, I substitute with what? 2C. It should still give me 360 degrees. So from here I have 2 into A plus C is equal to what? 360 degrees. So I divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel out 2. A plus C is equal to 180 degree. Equation 2. Now, what did you observe here? What am I driving out? This is the theorem. Now, this angle here and this angle here sum up to what? 180 degree. It means the opposite angle, that is the theorem I'm trying to show you today, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equals to 180 degree, or you can say it is supplementary. Supplementary. That is, if you are giving this angle here as, if A is given as 50 degree and you are asked to find angle C, you already know that A and C should sum up to 180. That means you're going to take away A from that. That's going to give us what? 130 degree. So this is one theorem under cyclic quadrilateral. In the next video, I'll be explaining another theorem under cyclic quadrilateral. Thank you. My name is Tutogo. Do wait to share this video and don't forget to follow my page. Bye.